if you want, I invite you to go through the sequence of the gestures for the planets in the sequence of the days of the week. Saturn, Sun, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, from Saturn to Venus. And you can take any names and name things as you want to, but if things come from olden times, people might have had a reason why they used names like this, or they wanted to indicate something. And it's not the order the planets are, can be found in space. Huh? After Saturn you have Jupiter, and now you have Sun. Yeah? So this order wants to indicate something. It's in a way a story of our being, of our evolution, we could say. An indication. So if you just stand there and you feel the center of your heart, or you feel your heart, your center, and then you let your arms sink. And to approach Saturn, it's nice to be aware of your wing system, of the back, which let your arms rise and sink, which carry you. And then when you let them rise again, after a while you can bring them along to make this Saturn gesture happen, which in a way connects the sphere of your forehead, of your head, with the sphere of your heart. And the wings actually move it, so now the wings sink in your back. And now the wings rise in your back. And this makes your arms come along. And this creates a space, an inner space, indicated by your arms and hands. And it's a space of warmth related to the heart forces and of understanding, indicated by the head forces. Warmth and infinite understanding. Experience this space as big and then open up. Light becomes born and you look around in the space. And similar as if you turn on a light in a room, you suddenly see how big it is. So many things to see, and use your fingertips to really touch the utter sphere of the space, and you feel there are things, and in the left arms down there behind, even the things I cannot see, I can feel. And this space even gives the possibility to move. Your interest can bring you there. And your interest, or the things just pull you. You are connected with everything. And where you are interested in, you are. You are dancing in the universe. It has become light. And then a moment comes which didn't go on like this. And what was so full of light is bound into these hands which enclose all the light in themselves, that protect them. But the light is now inside, but mainly as a sort of memory, is a potential. Everything what was there is still there. And I'm not moving anymore. I'm just here. I'm a seed. Yeah? Tied, bound to, yeah? Down here. And now it needs help to free what's there, because what is there, when you feel that there was this expanded field of light, you can still feel that there's this energy of possible expansion, of growth, yeah, but it's bound. And now this mass comes, yeah, that from the surface, yeah, starting at the surface on the earth, and then really knocking on what's, yeah, imprisoned down there, and then really freeing it. And here you can feel that the moon forces are actually freed, and then you let them free completely. So yeah, you are now working on this moon to make it free and bring it to birth. Here, yeah? And it's not about going down, but you just knock to bring it up. And one last time, and when you do this and you succeed and you reach the surface, suddenly, wow, what has been in the moon imprisoned becomes free. And you can again connect to the spheres from before, yeah, we were still in this sun quality, but look at your left arm. You are not just going back. You say, I am connected with the earth now. I am bound to the earth, so I can free, I can unfold, but I want to be rooted. I am rooted. And I hold fast here, even with the danger of not really being able to move as I want. Yeah? But at least I am back again. And then just relax your arms and breathe. And when you look at this left arm, which really held the connection to the earth and indicates we want to go forward through the earth, yeah, that's the direction from the sun, yeah, to the moon. We have decided, or it happened, that we go this way through the earth. And then we have this decision. We stay connected with that. But we still don't know how to, yeah, live our potential. Then now bring the left arm in front of your diaphragm. So when we had the moon gesture, we were tied to ourselves down here, far under the earth, if the diaphragm here represents the surface of the earth. Yeah? And so now Mars has freed up us that we live on the surface of the earth. Yeah? And when you have this left arm from Mercury, it can remember, yes, I have this in me. And when you have this right arm of Mercury, this one knows how to move. So it comes along and teaches the left arm from the free spheres, and which arm is now the active one. It is the left arm. It is this one. This is the active arm. Why? Because this arm, which was just like this, now learns how to move. This arm transforms. And the moving arm actually only tells what it knows, yeah? And gives up its freedom and only circles around the other one. But the work is done by the other one. So let the center hand and arm even grow and learn until it has learned enough that from the heart it can again dive into the earthly spheres down there, and now move. And from there, paired with the wisdom Jupiter has brought, brings this earthly experience through heart forces to an heart wisdom with which you can walk forward and give. So let's go through it one more time with less words. Your wing system, which carries everything. Creating Saturn system, infinitive space of warmth and understanding. And when you turn the light on, you see how big the space is. But the human destiny has to go this way first, or now to bring things along. And now it needs Mars to free it. And then freedom is partially be brought to us, still bound very much to Earth. But when you bring those two poles together, an inner wisdom can be generated, which anew allows to connect with the earth, and from there bring warmth and understanding in a human way. To all fellow beings and more. Great, please sit down again, relax, and just enjoy what you've been doing. How do you feel your body now? And how much does your soul like to be here? How much does it feel invited? And how does it answer the invitation? Does your soul like its body? Ask her. and your body, what does your soul mean to him? Ask him. How much do you feel held by, protected, or that cared for? If you move your body a little bit, how does that feel?